It's a pirate on his ship. Got a color by his hip. I think he caught her somewhere here with a whip. Wash him, wipe him out of blood.
I got you, my superstar. I got you. Just be sure to try it out. Try it out with me, guys. This challenge is awesome. My hair, it's thick, it's long, it's healthy, and I love it. Let me teach you guys. I'm eager to teach you because I'm a professional at this. I know my inches, not so long, but they've never been here, so impressive overall. So stay tuned.
When the grandpa hall pass, if you gotta use a bath, this ain't nothing like a trap. Nah, I gotta sit down on the roof. I'm testing iron a fool. Knock on my head with you true. Use a pen and take some notes. Copy down to what I wrote. It's a booger on the table. Please somebody pick it up before I choke. Hey, somebody, please get that booger. Mr. Savage, thank you so much. That was a great start. But we gotta stay on the curriculum. The kids are learning about it. Teach the kids. Okay. Well, it's a mess.
So in today's video, I'm going to bring you clove juice to activate natural hair growth with a 2 weeks update. So without further ado, let's get into it. Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Maryam Kapama. Thank you very much for tuning in. If you're new here, oh my god, hi, hello, welcome, and thank you very much for joining. But if you are my OG, my day one subscriber, my regular watcher, my returning supporter, I so much appreciate you and I can't thank you enough for coming back. Just be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below, and I'll so much appreciate. And of course, if you're new here, this channel is lit. Just be sure to click the bell notification and subscribe down below so you get notified every time I post in the future. That being said, today I'm going to pop up with some amazing gem that you should not sleep on it. For the ingredients, you're going to be needing sparkling cloves, but don't worry, even regular cloves will do, but just know you deserve the best, so is your hair. For those who don't know what cloves looks like, this is how cloves looks like. Cloves has wonderful benefit when it comes to the hair. It's excellent in helping your hair to lock in the moisture. It cleans and thickening the scalp. It stops hair loss, prevent premature graying, treats dandruff, add shines to your hair, promote hair growth, just to say a few. We're going to be adding few of the cloves to the pot just to make sure we're making amount of clove juice that's going to last us for a week. So we're adding in water, and we're going to be using medium heat to boil it up at least for 5-10 minutes. Clove is the most common way used to stimulate hair growth because it's going to help your hair roots with adequate nutrients for them to grow healthy, because clove is rich and it will surely gain your hair enough supply of nutrient that it deserves. When the clove juice is boiled for 10 minutes, keep it aside, let it cool for at least 5-6 hours so that the clove juice can darken in color. As you can see, it's still light color, but after 5-6 hours it's going to darken, and that's what we need. Allow the cloves to infuse so you can reap all the benefit of this herb. Clove for hair gain is a proven fact. It's a natural remedy free from any form of addictive and perfumes. It has vital vitamins that helps to improve your hair. Additionally, using the clove juice to massage your scalp will enhance blood circulation and secure oxygen supply to your hair roots and hair follicles. Here we are straining the mixture after it cools. The color is amazing, it's really dark. And these residues, I'm going to use them to make tea because they are still potent. And for my tea, definitely you can not only use clove for the hair but also for the tea for your body. I'm using lemongrass, cinnamon stick, clove residue, and extra ginger for my tea, and of course honey. As I allow my tea to boil, let's go back to filling our spray bottles with amazing ingredients called clove. Clove is going to help you get rid of dandruff. Dandruff is primarily caused because of unhealthy greases from your scalp and accumulation of dry skin. This dry skin buildup happens when you use a shampoo which is harsh. It's going to wash away all the sebum of your scalp and helps leave your scalp super dry. But this shampoo, they don't provide any prevention qualities. They just rip out the skin, but they do not help secure your scalp. So by adjusting clove, it will help soothing your scalp. Hair loss. Excessive hair fall can occur due to many reasons. Could be weak hair follicles, scalp disorder, harsh climate condition, or just these are just some of them, because right now this lifestyle we're living, there's a lot going on. That being said, clove is going to significantly reduce the hair fall with instant results. Clove has the thing called eugenol, which is present in this clove herb. It exhibits endogenic activities, so they're going to prevent and stop hair fall with continuous use. It also going to stimulate the roots and feed in with adequate nutrient, which is worthy ingredients to start with. It's packed with anti-hair loss formulation, antifungal, antimicrobial, so it's very important that we use clove and we give it a try. And I'm going to show you results because I give it a try, so you should give it a try. And if you go to give it a try, just let me know in the comment down below. Superstar, here is another way where you're going to be using clove in a different way on your hair regimen, and this is how I've been using for the past 2 weeks. I'm going to teach you step-by-step guide on how to make Cloves leave-in conditioner. It's so potent, it's amazing. For the ingredient, we're going to need olive oil, which is essential carrier oil that we're going to be using in making this leave-in conditioner. Olive oil is a very nice oil for your hair because it's lightweight and it's going to penetrate. Also, we'll be needing cloves, which you have been using from the beginning. Just a respectable amount of cloves will do in order to make this leave-in conditioner. As I was saying earlier, cloves has a lot of benefit. It's also good at fighting scalp irritations. You all know how scalp irritation can hurt somebody's confidence and self-esteem and demotivate somebody from taking care of their hair, because the itchiness, the rashes, and all this stuff are really annoying to to experience, especially just imagine you're wearing a wig and you have cornrows underneath your wig, and it starts to itch. You end up slapping your head. The scenario, guys, is unmeasured. Just be sure to let the oil and the clove shimmer for 5-10 minutes, then let it cool, then strain it, and there you have express clove oil. I'm coming up with a video right after this, a proper way on how to make clove oil so you can reap all the benefit of clove oil, potent clove oil. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any upload from me, because that video is coming up next. Also, I'm adding coconut oil as you've seen, and I'm also adding neem CBD infused oil. This is a DIY oil I made myself in my channel. I'm going to leave the video here in the cards so you get to see a detailed video on that CBD infused oil. However, clove is very important if you are suffering from any kind of skin peeling, scalp peeling, or scalp accumulation that leads to itching and inflammation, or some redness, or even dandruff, or any scalp disorder. By using clove to massage it to your scalp to reduce the pain tremendously, and also it's going to help your hair grow healthier, because your scalp will be healthy, since clove has a soothing effect on the scalp. It's going to condition your scalp. Here, as you have noticed, when you are whipping this leave-in conditioner, I'm using a regular leave-in conditioner on my hair. So once you mix the leave-in conditioner with the oil and you find it is still, the consistency is still running, you want to get that thick and slip leave-in conditioner, then keep on adding the conditioner. It's very important that your conditioner may be of the right consistency, so it does not run down your hair. How to use? Oh, this is amazing. I spray my hair. I make sure my hair is saturated with clove oil, clove juice, then going in with my leave-in conditioner and taking time to massage everywhere, in between my cornrows and also on my edges, just taking my time and enjoying my vibe. Also, your hair is going to smell amazing, because clove has amazing scent. It's natural. It's 100% natural. It's not perfume. It's not any addictive that's added. It's natural. It's going to condition your scalp, and your hair is going to look super black. It's going to reduce dullness in your hair. So by using clove, you're going to notice your hair getting darker, and of course getting softer. The mix of this oil that we use when you are making the conditioner is going to make your hair really soft. Like the coconut oil is going to add shine to your hair, so your hair is going to improve in terms of quality, healthy, and of course the natural essence of the clove will make you relax and enjoy the process. This is 2 weeks update. I did my cornrows 1st of August, and today's I'm shooting this is 15th of August. The hair has tremendous difference. The growth I'm experiencing, the new hair, baby. This thing works like magic. People talk of overnight treatments, but I don't think it's something overnight. Your hair needs time to grow, but this thing has shown a huge difference from my hair being soft, being way too black, and more ingrowns. And when it comes to my edges, man, there are lots and new growth everywhere. Thank you very much for watching this video this far. I hope this video was helpful to you as much as I enjoy creating this video for you. Just be sure to smash the like button, comment down below, let me know if you're going to try this clove treatment for your hair, and if you're going to join me in my long-term protective style by using cloves. Just let me know down in the comment. And if you haven't subscribed until this far, just be sure to click the subscribe button with a bell notification so you get notified every time I do an upload. That being said, may you please click the video up on the screen. It's going to show you another way to make your clove oil in your comfort of your home. It's a perfect DIY to grow hair longer, thicker, healthier, and voluminous. Please be sure to watch this video to the very end, and again, smash the like button for your girl. It will mean the whole world to me. It will let YouTube know that you are getting values from me.